In this tutorial, we will learn how to create a sales quotation. Select Sales Processing page. Select Manage Sales Quotation tile. Choose Create Quotation. Enter the quotation type HQT. Enter the sold to party. Enter the ship to party. Enter the validity date. Enter the material. Enter the order quantity. Choose Save. A message tells you that the sales quotation has been created. Choose Display. In More, go to Header and go to Status option. In the Processing Status section, there is no approval status field. This means no quotation workflow is triggered. Therefore, the next step is to complete is changing sales quotation one. Go to More, Extras, then Output, then Print Preview. Choose Display Document. A PDF of the sales quotation appears. Close the document. We have successfully created a sales quotation and preview the print output. Thank you.